Kin said there's a little weird thing about this cruise. Who cares? Let's just go on it. I'm coming. This looks like a pretty normal cruise. Stop! Stop in the name of the law. Stop, stop, stop. Try to go through here, miss. Don't know if you noticed. Stop in the name of the law, trespassers. I raise my right paw and to tell you that I do not like trespassers. Here's our tickets. Great. Good children. Good children. Actually, bad children. You made me walk all the way down here for nothing, and now I have to walk back up to the captain's room. Okay. Casey! Huh? Did somebody say my name? Amelia! Riley, I told you not to go here. Just so you could keep this place to yourself? No, this cruise has been weird, and I'm trying to investigate about it. Ooh, swaggy dress, by the way, and swaggy collar. Thank you. De nada. Anyway, let's get to the point. The captain is crazy. I've had it with these children. I am not crazy. You. Mom, you're gonna get asthma. So this is your mom, huh, Laylee? Laylee? My name is actually Clover. Laylee. Clover. I changed my name, little brat. And surely you've changed your attitude. Listen, Clover. This is my mom. Mom, you're gonna get asthma. My mom is okay, just don't mind her. Anger issues, Darlene. Anger issues. Come on, girl. I dare you to kiss Ricky Kang. Really, my crush? He's on the cruise, so you're gonna have to do it. Duh. That's like totally our rule, remember? Okay. Hey, Ricky. Hey, Ricky. Hey. Oh, I can't do it.
Oh, you forgot your coffee.
Oh, I told you I couldn't do it. I told you, Daffodil. Well, guess what? If you can't do that, then you gotta tell Ricky King that you think he's cute. No way. Yes way.